In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an order on Etsy. Now, whether you're an established seller or just starting out, knowing how to manage your orders, including canceling them when necessary, is an essential skill. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Etsy account. Head over to etsy.com and sign in with your username and password. Once logged in, we'll start by navigating to your shop manager. This is your dashboard for managing all aspects of your Etsy shop. To get there, click on your profile icon located in the upper right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Shop Manager. This will take you to the main hub for all your shop activities. Next, you need to find the specific order you wish to cancel. Within the Shop Manager, look for the Orders and Shipping section. This is where you'll find a list of all your current and past orders. Scroll through or use the search bar to find the order in question. Once you've found it, click directly on the order to open the details. Now, with the order details in view, scroll down until you spot the Help with Order button. This button is vital for any issues related to processing an order, including cancellations. Click it and you'll be presented with various options. Among those options, you'll find Cancel Order. Select this option to begin the cancellation process. Etsy might prompt you to provide a reason for the cancellation, which helps keep both you and your buyer informed about the decision. Enter the reason for cancellation if required. This transparency not only maintains goodwill with your customers, but also helps Etsy understand your actions better in case of any disputes. The final step is confirming the cancellation. Follow any additional prompts that Etsy provides to finalize the process. Double check everything to ensure the correct order is being canceled, as this action cannot be undone. Take a moment to breathe. You're almost done. Once you've completed these prompts, the order cancellation is processed and both you and the buyer will receive confirmation of the cancellation. If at any stage you feel uncertain, remember that you can always reach out to Etsy support for further assistance. It's important to manage your shop proactively and maintain clear communication with your customers. Proper handling of order cancellations can lead to repeat business and positive reviews. That's all it takes to cancel an order on Etsy. It's a straightforward process once you know your way around. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Etsy shop. Happy selling!